I have a question. What is the proper way to approach when we have some question for Gurudev, or in general, what is the proper way to approach Gurudev? What is the etiquette in these times?
In this time,
Like practical. How to approach Gurudev correctly?
In the proper way.
In the proper way. What is the proper way to
Proper
ask
etiquette.
a question, or how, if we want to come to Gurudev, what is the perfect way?
it is a spiritual thing. Huh? You ask questions for spiritual.
Yeah, this one sister.
Why Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura? Understand? Why Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura? What is the main reason? Why?
Because he saw how Srimati Radhika was feeling separation in Prem Sarovar.
Then?
Then he thought that he's doing pain to Srimati Radhika and he has to leave. And also he has to do pastimes with devotees from Mathura and Dwaraka. But this is secondary.
The face separation, what?
Why Krishna left from Vrindavan to Mathura? Abro. What is the reason?
Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. In one way, you can understand that his pastimes in Vrindavan are eternal and transcendental. In one form, he goes to Mathura to Anugrahaya Bhaktanam, to give mercy to his devotees and the living entities who are outside of Vrindavan, outside of his inner circle of associates, Parishad. And in this way, he expands his lila to taste very many rasas and perform many pastimes to liberate the demons in one way.
And also to show the glories of the gopis, the lost people.
Krishna Bhakti, why Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura?
Today Gurudev is doing questions to us. The other way around.
What? This is not me.
Devaki and Vasudev asked him.
Huh?
Devaki and Vasudev asked him. Devaki pleaded with him to go with him and Krishna Balaram to kill the demons. Or to defeat Kamsa.
Because Kamshan wanted him to come.
Kamsa?
Akrura came to take him to Brahman, to Mathura, and at the same time he wanted to increase the separation of the gopis, that everybody could see how much they love him.
Many reasons. Actually, main reason Krishna, he noticed, I am staying in Vrindavan, but Srimati Radhika, she is feeling I am not with her. That is called Prema Vaichitta. Still I am staying with Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is thinking I am not with her. And she is completely hurt. That is called madness coming. So thinking, if I am not here, then Srimati Radhika is thinking Krishna with me. Because in Viraha dasha is what? Viraha.
Vishesh Milan.
In the viraha separation, that time I was thinking I am with her. And that time maybe she will survive her life. Actually, this is the main reason Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura. And showing the Srimati Radhika highest prem. At the time of meeting, you cannot measurement the love, how much you love. Jatha durastita striya. Krishna himself told. When the chaste lady, she always feeling separation from her husband. His husband is far from her. And when staying together, that time prem cannot to measurement. Love is this also. Love is when if you love someone and far, then always thinking about him or her. Or when staying together, that not so much thinking. This is the thing. Especially the parakya bhav and parable mood. Gopi's mood, that is called parakya bhav. So parakya bhav more and more encouraged. So for this regard, Krishna also is thinking, I will go Vrindavan to Mathura. Then can see what kinds of prem is there. People can understand. And another thing, separation, nourishment the meeting. No bina vipralambena sambhoga pushti masnati. Vipralambha is what? Nourishment the meeting. For this regard, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained the vipralambha bhav and dancing on the head of meeting. So maybe your question will come, then separation or needs we always be separate. You cannot say this way. Meeting and separation, separation and meeting this. Or another thing, actual Krishna always staying in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam paritajyam padamikam gacchati. I am never out of Vrindavan one stay. Always I am staying in Vrindavan. Sometimes visible or sometimes invisible. This is the thing. So there are many reasons for this also. And do another lila also. And Narad Rishi came. Narad Rishi told to Krishna, hey Krishna, only you do this lila. Brajavasis, nourishment to Brajavasis, not to the nourishment the Mathuravasi. Especially Devaki, Vasudev, and or what is his name? Kamsa's father, Ugrasen, how they are suffering, and all Mathura almost he was destroyed. Because Kamsa, he disturbed to everybody. So you have to come Mathura and establish and Varnashram Dharma and kill the demon. For this regard, Krishna is going. There are many reasons also these things. And showing to us to are the vipralambha bhav. And especially Srimati Radhika's topmost vipralambha, that is called what is called? In Brahmar Git, actually the manifest is Dibba Unmadini Srimati Radhika. If Krishna would not left Vrindavan to Mathura, Srimati Radhika is this Dibba Unmadini. How to manifest? Further, Sukadeva Goswami Pad explains Srimati Radhika's and 10 stages of her viraha. Jalpa, Jalpa, Sujalpa, Vijalpa, Pratijalpa, in this way. This is the important of this. Viraha is very important. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showing us these things actually. Navina Vipralambe, what do you call? No, Mahaprabhu is saying this. Viraha Bhav. Viraha need or not? Actually, Viraha means be Raha. Special meeting also there. Same thing also there. See, Viraha Bhav. Or any question?
I have another also.
The other day you started to describe the subject matter that the gopis teach in their school, and you mentioned the first one that was wisdom, and you said you would tell us about the other subject matter later.
What is the slope?
Karna Karni Sakijanina
Vijanana Stutis Dukha.
Stuti Prakriya.
You forgot.
Long sloka.
Long. Karna Karnyang Sakina Duti Stuti Prakriya. And Pativanchaka. Karna Karni. How to speak by whispering to each others. And give the message to each others. This is Karna Karni. So, Vijanana Stuti, Duti Stuti Prakriya. Duti means messengers. Many kinds of dutis also there. Apta duti, Sang duti. Duti, understand? Message. So, Duti Stuti Prakriya. If Radha and Krishna did man, that time how to glorify to each others. Krishna's man is very, very rare. Also Krishna's man is there, but Krishna's man is not prominent. Mostly man, Radhika. When Srimati Radhika did man, their duty to glorify to Krishna. Especially in Gita Govindam, mostly glorify these things. Srimati Radhika did man, then saying, hey, Srimati Radhika, give up your man. Now, Krishna will do this. So that is called, their duties is this. Glorified. Duti Stuti Prakriya. Karna Karning Sakijana Vijana Duti Stuti Prakriya. Prati Vanchaka Chaturi. So how to cheat the husband? This is very important. How they cheat the husband? They are saying, oh, just I'm coming and going. They are saying this. Sometimes they going to and I'm going to bring something, and going this way. This is the different kinds of teaching they are giving in there. Then Badhirjo Guru Putrupati Vanchika Gunanika Chaturi Gunanika Kundana Pranana Nishi. Badhirjo Guru Vachi Benu. And when they are superior person, father, mother, or husband, mother-in-law, when saying very nice, beautiful instruction, they are doing what they are doing? As like acting the deaf. They are not listening.
5 rupees doll. 5 rupees doll.
Pradhubanchika Chaturi Kunanika Kunda Prayana Nishi. The Badhija Guru Vajika. But always their ears should be alert when the sound of flute will come. Govinda Venudhani. Understand? When the Venudhani will come, they will have to. This is there. So this verse is saying Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, this slokas. Actually, these types of 5 types of subject they are in. Yeah, very nice. You read my book also this. Yeah? You also have to explain in this way. You reading or not? Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Chapter 9. Nice book. Actually, another katha.
I have one question about one sloka from Padyavali. Oh, you have one question also.
In Sarvadharma chapter 28, it's explained the different types of viraha during meeting, right? Like Purvarag, Man. So Purvarag is easy to understand, like in Bhauma Vrindavan, but can you give examples of Purvarag in Golab Vrindavan?
Purvarag, 2 kinds of Purvarag. Before meeting and after meeting also Purvarag is going on this. Actually, these are Nitya Siddhas gopis. They are always meet with Krishna. Those are sadhan siddha, they are not meeting with Krishna. So Purvarag is coming in this way, how to meet with Krishna and then glorify to Krishna this way. Venu Gita's mostly this Purvarag is explained this way. Gopis Dev, when they are separate, they are glorify our Krishna, holy day and night. Or another Purvarag also, because when this deep attachment, that they are thinking will never meet with Krishna. Praspranu snehanu bandhanam darsane atriptata. Here this is darsane atriptata. Darsane atriptata, they are taking darshan, they are thinking, I did not take darshan to Krishna. Srimati Radhika just she met with Krishna and come out from the Kunja, and outside of the Kunja, Lalita Sakhi is there. Then she is saying, Hey Radhik, could you glorify about Krishna? Then Srimati Radhika, she cried. Srimati Radhika, she told, I did not meet with Krishna. She met with Krishna, but thinking, I have I did not meet with Krishna. So this types of this always eagerness. So Jogmaya actually arranged this way. This is also Purvarag. Venugit means the Purvarag Katha. Vrindavanam Sukhi Vivo Vitanati Kirtim Jad Devaki Suto Padabja Lakshmi Govinda Venu Numatta Mayura Nittam Prekshadisanna Varatanno Samasta Sattam. But they are glorified about Vrindavan. How will Krishna so playing his flute and also peacock. She was in Hastinapur. Hastinapur, understand? And she married in Vrindavan. She heard about Krishna, but she did not see Krishna. When he first time came her husband's house, then she is eager to take darshan to Govinda. So early in the morning when Krishna used to go herding the cows, and then Vrindavan, everybody also making this sound. Oh, Krishna is now going to herding the cows. All the Brijavasis, Gopi, always eager to take darshan to Govinda. Nayano Utsavam. They want to take darshan to beautiful form of Govinda. But this young, what is called? Bride. Understand? Newly married. And according to Indian Vedic culture, if you are newly married, you cannot come out from your house. And also, you have to cover your head with the veil. This is the thing. So what to do this now? Her husband, mother-in-law, she told, don't go out from the house. My mother-in-law, she left because this sound is coming. The Krishna is going to herding the cows. Then she think, I have to see how is beautiful form of Govinda. So then she came out from the door and she very eager to take darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshana lalasa. Krishna is Bhagavan. Bhagavan is Bhagavan or not? He knows the heart of this Gopi. Then Krishna thinking, oh, this newly married bride, she wants to take darshan to me. Then Krishna knowingly took one newborn cup and twist here his tail, and that's it there. The cup also running front. Then again also coming very close to that newly married bride. And Krishna in this way taking back that the cup, because Baladev Prabhu is there, Subal Siddham also there. So Krishna just doing this Leela. Krishna saying, oh, I am taking back the cup. Then Krishna very quickly come and touch the, what is called? Chain of the newly. And then Krishna to and he darshan this. Then she completely what? Stand. If you take darshan to Govinda, then finish life, your will be finished. Who want to take darshan? Dekhile nayana here, keho nahi ghare phire. Grihiro sangsari jago Why sarvanash? Then you cannot maintain your family life. Finish. Kiva chuda siri, kiva bangsit kari, kiva se tribhangatham. Now she is completely stunned. Her body is not moving. Body is not moving, nothing. That is called stambha.
It's like a pillar.
Standing there. When Krishna left, then our mother-in-law, sorry, why were you outside? She's shaking her body, but is as like pillar, as like pillar. Nothing. So I told you, this is the son of Nanda Maharaj. This is called ghost. So saying Nanda ke putni, Nanda ke bhut. Anyhow, mother-in-law, she brought and told, okay, you can use to engage your service. You bring some, chant the Jogat. But she entered in the room, she brought the pot of mustard seed and chutney. Then after a few minutes, then mother-in-law said, all the mustard seed were and scattered and spreading and everywhere. And I told you, chant the Jogat. Or what you doing this? Chanting the mustard. Because her mind automatically was stolen. Our mind is not stolen. Your mind is stolen or not? You are already Maya. No need to store, already finished. Now then the other mother-in-law told, okay. So I am collect all these mustard seeds and we do. So you have to go to fetching water from the well. But she is no matter how she will go. So they okay, take one other's baby, take him on the lap, and the lap she is taking the bucket. But her mind always observed with Krishna. Then she is fetching water from the well. But she forgot which is the bucket or which the baby. She put the rope in the baby. And baby crying, but she is not this. In the meantime, someone noticed, what is doing this? Putting the baby under the on the well. Then someone came and saved the Krishna. If you take darshan Krishna, what can we do? Who will take darshan to Krishna? Now no one. So Krishna darshan, take darshan to Krishna, not so easy. So Purvarag, 2 times, before meeting and after meeting. You think I will never meet with Krishna. And Vrindavan Vihari Lal. So this is Viraha, separation 4 types. Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema Vijit.
And Gurudev, Pravas, in Krishna Karnamrita, Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says it can be intentional and unintentional. And also Sudur Pravas and Pravas. What are the examples of
in the transcendental world, actually there are no Sudur Pravas. Only that is the Sudur Pravas when Krishna, when he used to go herding the cows, Gopi, they cannot serve by soul. Jugaita nivesanam chakkusha pabrishaitam sunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam virahenam. So Jugaita Nivesana, just as the blinking of the eyes. And that moment they cannot tolerate separation from Krishna. Jugaita Nivesanam Chakusa Prapisaitam Sunnaya Devagata Sarvam Govinda Virahanam. Because Mahabhav Dasa, this is also the 6 symptoms of Mahabhav Dasa. What is that? Khanardhi Kalpatta Kalpatte Khanardhi. One moment, friend. Separation from Krishna, they are thinking millions. Age of Brahma, we will not meet with Krishna. Or they perform Ras dance with the gopis. Million days of Brahma. They are thinking only couple of seconds we meet with Krishna. So then Khanardhe Kalpatta Kalpatte Khanardha. Or Brahmanda Chavakarita. When gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, when she felt Pankaj separation of Krishna, whole universe start to shake. Asanna Janata Hid Vidolan. What do you say? Asanna Janata Hid Vidolan. Asanna Janata means those who are staying in, their body start to shake. Sometimes thinking, oh, this is the earthquake. And also head start to spinning. Sometimes your mind also not working. You can do why mind disturbed? Actually this is your when Srimati Radhika she felt Pankaj separation from Krishna. Then everybody's mind also disturbed.
It gets reflected in this material world.
In this material world come in the perfect way. In this material, everything is what is called? Perfect reflection. A transcendental world, there is a pure. Or another?
How is it shown in this world?
How
does that perverted reflection show?
Everything is a perfect reflection. This sunlight is what? Actually, the origin sun is what? Krishna in transcendental. Krishna's, what is called? Bodily effulgence. You cannot understand these things. And all these, everything actually coming from Krishna, origin transcendental. In this world, sunlight is coming from where actually? In this material, everything is upside down. Science, modern science cannot discover this, Actually, everything is coming from Krishna. Apragita Chit Jagat. So far, what we are looking in this material world, are everything transcendental world. There is a perfect in this material. Everything is what? Upside down. Here, sunrise, sunlight, or moonlight, everything is coming. Actually, this is coming from transcendental world, just upside.
There is duality in that way.
So for the Najatrat, what is called? In this, that transcendental world, no need to sun, no need to moon, nothing this. But in the Krishna Lila is doing this. Or the sloka? Tabak. No Sasanka, no Pavaka, this. There is no need. But still Krishna is doing this Leela. Actually, all these is coming from the toenails of Krishna. Govinda Nakachandra Majati. Where we are saying, in this material, all we have to understand with our what is called? Material knowledge, Jadagyan. Actually, Jadagyan is the perfect representation of transcendental Guru. You understand?
The transcendental the material knowledge is reflection of transcendental knowledge.
Transcendental knowledge. Jadagyan, Jadavidya, everything. And this, for this regard, everybody also are entangled with Maya. Maya is doing this way. Vidya, and is called avidya. Vidya bodhu jivanam anandamudhi vardhanam pratipadam purnamisa sadhanam sarvatma sanapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Ye vidya bodhu. Why you use a bodhu? Bodhu, understand? What is the meaning of bodhu? Bodhu, this word using when the newly married, that is the bodhu. Understand? After few months, few years, they are not saying the bodhu. Understand? When they are coming, that's why bodhu, this word is coming. There are many synonyms, and wife, what is called? English only you are saying is what? Wife. But in Sanskrit, there are so many synonyms also come in this. Understand? Priya. Priya also this way. And many synonyms come. But according to the context, that word will be used. Understand? As Ramchandra, he also invoked Sita Devi. He Priya. Or without marriage, what is called? Before married, also saying Priya. Understand? According to the context, you use this word. This is but English only one word. What is saying? Wife. She is my wife. But his Bengali, what is your Sanskrit say bodhu? Bodhu means newly married wife. That's called bodhu. Then after few years, few months, and when you are very old, that husband not saying, bodhu. What are you saying? Look at this. When newly married, they are saying, bodhu. Or when same also you are. And after 20 years, not saying bodhu. What is saying? Stri. Stri was, this is her whole life is saying. And she is my Stri. And wife. You are saying wife. But when newly married, that's saying bodhu. 1, 2 days, 3 days, and bodhu. Honeymoon coming this way. So vidya bodhu. Or avidya abodhu. Understand? No. So vidya and avidya.
Knowledge and ignorance.
Vidya means is vidyatu, gyan, knowledge. And so much attractive and coming this way. Newly married, attractive. And then after few years, not so much attractive. Vidya bodhu jivanam. Jivan saru. Life and soul. Then after a few years, because here the two words, and actually bodhu, this word is word, actually parakya bhav. Saukya and parakya. Saukya also use the word bodhu. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, many places also use this word about two gopis, bodhu this word. Eh? That's actually this Bodhu means is what? The wife of others, Gop. Gopa Bodhu. Eh? What is the slogan? Bande Nanda Bhajastrinang Pad Renu Avisnusa Jasang Hari Katho Gito Punati Bhuvanatram.
Etam paratanu hirtu bhuvi.
No, the Bodhu is what is coming. The Bodhu, this word is coming. Bande Nanda Brajastrinang. Brajavadhu. Brajavadhu. Vargena Kalpita. Oh, that is the sloka is your Vishana Chakravarti. Aradho Bhagavan Brajasuttanam Tadhamam Vrindavanam Ramma Kachit Upasana Brajavadhu Vargena Kalpita. Here Brajavadhu, that is called Parakya Bhav. Those who are wife of other Gopa. So Parakyata Bhav is saying this. So which context we are speaking, that is that depends on the word. Because this Parakya Bhav only manifests in Vrindavan, Braj. Braj bina nahi annatra prachar. Only Braj Vrindavan. And even not heavenly planet. In this material also not possible. In this material world, that is called the Parakyatva is called sinful activity, Papa Karma. Understand? These are things. And the transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, there is no Papa Karma is there. Actually, Krishna is their own husband also. Pati. Here Pati means is what? Pati means always not the use or the husband. Pati means palayati, prema palayati jasa iti pati. Who nourishment protects the prem, who protects and nourishment the viraha. That is called pati. Palayati trayati iti pati. The one who nourishment the prem and protect the viraha. That is called pati. Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Hanupati. So Guru is my husband. Right? Because if the English word is using only husband. So Guru is not my husband. Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Hanupati. Sahajas they are using this word. Oh, Guru also my husband. So I meet with my Gurudev. Pagal. Guru Pati means one who protects my prem, one who protects my viraha, nourishment my love, prema. So Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru and Pati. Sahajiya they are thinking, okay, Guru is my Pati husband. So I also meet with my Guru. That's stupid nonsense. Sahaja they are doing this way. Pati means one who nourishment, protect my prem. Understand this? So Guru Mata, Guru Pita, Guru Hanupati. Guru bina is sangsare har nahi gati. You read or not? Asraya ko hariya banda Shri Guru Charan Jaha hoite mile bhai Krishna premadhan. This is the thing. Sanatan Das, he sang this, composed this verse. That's very important. Huh?
This Sanatan Das is Sanatan Goswami.
No, another.
Okay.
And one Vaishnava poet, he wrote this. Huh? Understand this?
What is the meaning of protect viraha in this case?
Huh?
Protect viraha, what is the meaning of this part? Who nourishes prema and protect viraha?
Viraha, when he is feeling prema, that time he is glorified to Krishna's sweet pastimes. Sometimes meeting lila and sometimes viraha lila. Huh? This is why this.
When the disciple feels a Gurudev will glorify pastime.
Glorify the pastimes. Oh, what is his name? Ramchandra Prabhu. Ramchandra Kaviraj. Huh? Understand? This way. Ramchandra Kaviraj. And he also there. Once his guru, what is his name? Srinivas Acharya. And completely and Samadhi. Trance. Samadhi. And then everybody told, oh, maybe he left body. Then Narottam Das Thakur came. Narottam realized, no, he did not leave his body. Called to his Ramchandra Kaviraj came. And Ramchandra Kaviraj of his guru. Then Ramchandra Kaviraj, and in his transcendental body he went to Golok Vrindavan, and he saw his guru is there also. Then he said, Gurudev, how you are you here? All they are feeling separation from. That time Srimati Radhika, she lost her nose ring. This katha is there. That time he jumped in the water of Jamuna and he found that Srimati Radhika's nose ring and offered to Srinivas Acharya, and Srinivas Acharya he gave to Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Understand? Then Gopal Bhatta Goswami and he gave to Rupa Manjari or Lalita Abhishek, and then performed. Then again they both returned back. So this lila is going on this way. And so viraha in this way, this is high level, Understand? This is the way. This is how this is done. So for this regard, Narottam Das Thakur very humbly is saying, Ramachandra Sange Mage Narottama Das. Narottam Das Thakur, he is higher, but he is always hankering how to associate with Ramchandra Kaviraj. Ramachandra Sangha Mage Narottama Das. Ramchandra is the disciple of Srinivas Acharya. Srinivas Acharya is the disciple of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Like this. So this way Leela is going on this. Or any? Finish. So.
I had one about one verse of Padyavali.
Padavadi Shlok.
Yes. This, I don't know what is Taraka and Parakasati. Verse 1, 2, 3, 123.
123, are there?
You can see?
You can read.
You can read?
Mukhat.
Within the hearts of the residents of Mathura arise two potencies of the Chit Shakti, Taraka and Paraka.
Taraka and Paraka.
Taraka, the seat of the tree of Mukti, easily grants liberation and delivers the jiva from a long chain of anarthas. And Paraka bestows one's desired goal, bhakti, which is the abode of prem rasa, or transcendental ecstasy. May that Mathura Puri remove all your sufferings and grant you the wealth of prema.
Hmm.
Sanskrit, should I read? Bijam mukti taror anartha patali nistarakam tarakam dhama prema rasasya vanchita dura samparakam parakam etat yatra nivasinam udayate chichakti vritti dvayam madhnatu vyasanani madhura puri savah shriyam cha kriyat. I never hear before about Taraka and Parakasakti.
Tarak Brahma and Parak Brahmanam. Tarak Brahma, the Krishna Nam also first to give the liberation. Tarak Brahma and Parak. Tarak Brahma also give the liberation. Or the first remove. But Mathura, that is your Mathura give what kinds of prem to us? And Vaishnavisha Bhakt Prem will give. So for this you are saying this way. Mathura Ahoti Mathurapuri Dhanna. Mathura also Dhanna. Because Mathurapuri will give the prem, but what kinds of prem will get? You try to understand these three types of prem. And one is called Samanjasarati, another is called Samartharati. And Samartharati, Samanjasarati, and just forget. Sadharani Rati. Sadharani Rati is where? In Kubja. In Mathura, the Sadharani Rati is there also. So, these types of prem you will get there, Mathura. Samanjasa Rati, that Rati, that prem in Dwarkapuri. Mahishi's prem, that is called Samanjasa Rati. Kubja's Rati is towards Krishna. Actual Kubja met with Krishna for his own and pleasure. Krishna would be happy or not? Not this is mentioned in there. So maybe your question will be, why you accept these types of prem? Because Krishna happy or not? Because Kubja her aim and object only to Krishna. Why do you accept this prem? Because Kubja she did not meet with any other person except Krishna. For this accept the Sadharanati also acceptable. Otherwise this is rejectable. Because her rati only towards Krishna. If you are Samanjasa rati is your, they are divided, going to the divided wife, children, this was the divided. And Mahishi's rati, that is called Samanjasa rati. And this rati also, when married, when the love and just give the example, when married, wife and husband staying together, that means one pointed with each other. When the children coming, automatically their love and affection going to her. Children going this. So prem automatically what? Divide. Going to there. So our Samartharati, there is one pointed with the Krishna. And actual gopis, they have no husband. And Yesterday, one day I told. Actually, Gopi, they did not marry also. Just Jogmaya arranged this way. In their mind, oh, I married with this Gopal. Jogmaya arranged this way. So for this regard, explain this, Jatha Sapnavat. Just in your dream, you are thinking, I married with this person. I married with this girl. Actually, there is reality or not? No. So, Jogmaya just is arranged this way and create this mind. Or they are their parents, Jiva Goswami Pad also explained, their parents are thinking, in their thinking, oh, today, in their dream they are coming, okay, my daughter married with this Gopa. And for this they sent their daughters in the house of that Gopa. They are saying this. Actually, they are physically not, no meeting, no marriage. Jogmaya this arranged this way also. Because Gopis' body are transcendental bodies. In their heart, no any kinds of lust. Especially those who are, what is called, Shruti-chari, Muni-charis, millions birth, they also do perform hard austerities. In their heart, no any smell of material lust. Understand? So how possible that they will marry? When your desire will come to marry? When? When your mind disturbed. Last desire coming, then you are going to marry. Is it true or wrong? Gopis, they have not these types of things. Why they will marry? They are not, because their mind always absorbed with Krishna. Krishna Nam Roop Gun Jas Avatang Kane. 24 hours. Their mind absorbed with Krishna. So how possible their desire will come to marry or do this? And they actually they never touch any other man except Krishna. Jogmaya is protect this way. Understand? Because their body is your transcendental body. Understand? Gopi's body is a transcendental body. Sachidanandamaya Sari, Sachidanandamaya Tanu. Only try to these things. They have in their heart no any kinds of desire to meet with any other person except Krishna. Day and night they are already thinking about Krishna. So maybe a question is why Jogmaya arrange this marriage ceremony and these things. Because without marriage the Parakyata Bhav will not manifest. Understand? For this regard. Gopi, there only one point of the Krishna. Also even Srimati Radhika she told, how possible marry with Ayan Ghosh? Krishna told, this is not Ayan Ghosh. Myself manifest in the form of Ayan Ghosh. My incarnation. But your incarnation, I will not touch his face.
I don't want to know.
Look this. Then Jogmaya she arranged this. But then Krishna told, okay, with the marriage ceremony, then when your marriage ceremony will come, then I will come with my mother and sit in the lap of my mother. When Ayan Ghosh will be offering anything, I will take. This Leela is going on this.
I will come with my mother. Krishna will come with Yashoda.
Krishna will come with Mother Yashoda. And the marriage ceremony going on, that time also are. The rules and regulations of marriage ceremony. You offer these flowers, these things, many things, all these. That time Krishna, I will take these things. And Prasad, so how do the garland? Eh? Understand? Then Krishna says, don't worry. Eh? When you offer the garland to Ayan Ghosh, that time I will come forward. You think? And we did this Leela also this way. Eh? But people think, oh, Krishna is very naughty boy. Eh? Then no, don't follow. Then there's the garland offered to, again to Ayan Ghosh. Actually, this garland is, Srimati Radhika offered this garland to whom? Krishna. But the people are thinking, okay, now Srimati Radhika, she married with Ayan Ghosh. So for this is called so-called husband. Understand? This is not true. Thus he is doing this lila. Because without Parakyatya Bhav, without marriage, so how possible Krishna's this Parakya Bhav will come? You understand this? So he's saying this, Judge Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusam Dehamasitam Bhajati Tadishakra Jashrutva Tatporo Bhavit. Krishna is doing this like human being lila also this. Yesterday, one day I told also, even Jogman not allowed to the gopas to sit on the bed of the gopis. They have no, but they have, and just in their mind thinking, I married with this lady. They are thinking this way. Actually, nothing this way. So try to understand this way. So for this regard is a Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, and in the commentary explained. So Gopas, they always is what? Male person, always very busy to daily activities. Taking care of the cows, feeding the cows, and so what time till they meet with the wife? They have no time. So in Jogmaya she arranged this way. But the Parakyatta Bhava is this. This Leela is going on this. Some Leela also wrote in the book. So once Krishna you are meeting with that the gopis. And his room. Then the Gopal listen, outside Gopal is sleeping. At midnight, who is inside the room of my wife? Because sound coming and speaking. Then and that Gopal he entered in the room of his wife. Then Krishna also, Krishna is very tricky. Krishna very quickly also jumped out from the window. Then Gopal is thinking maybe some thief. That Gopal also ran, chasing behind, chasing after that person, and going very far. And Krishna is Bhagavan, no? He manifested many forms. Then Krishna very quickly manifested the form of his wife. That Gopal is thinking, hey, why you are running here? Why did you come here? I am thinking you are thief, but you are not. And that Krishna who manifested in the form of his wife. Actually, many years I married with you, but not laughing, joking, talking. So for this regard, I am thinking I am going to make you one fun with you. Sometimes wife and husband making fun. Fun, understand? And playing. Okay. So for this regard, I jumped from the window. Okay. So now both are going and talking very nicely to you. And Gopal thinking, yes, many years I did not talk with my wife. Now it's very, very sweet and happy. Going on this way. Actually, this is who is he? Krishna. But the Gopas is thinking, my wife. Then Krishna told that he told, okay, we return back to home. Now I'm tired, I have to take rest. Gopa think, okay. And Gopa entered his room. Gopa think, okay. Actually, Indian custom system is what? First, no, husband have to enter. Wife behind. So Krishna, now his wife, and Gopa, husband. So Krishna told, oh, you also first enter into the room. So Gopa he entered his room, and then Krishna disappeared. Then Gopa entered the room. His wife was sleeping. Hey, you are sleeping? What you are mad? His origin wife is saying, are you mad? No, just I talk with you, and also walking in the forest, and this very nice beautiful forest, the rays of the moon, and we talking with him. But maybe in your dream you went. Look this thing. Kya? Kautaki Krishna. Krishna doing this lila. So in this way, this lila is going on this. And that Gopi think, maybe this is not true. Maybe in my dream, I went in the forest and this lila. Krishna lila is very sweet also. What is called mischievous Krishna. You read this lila? You read it or not? Yeah. So this lila. Parakyatta bhavi de. Golok Vrindavan, that Parakyatta bhavi is always, eternally and transcendent. So Krishna performed this lila Parakyatta. So saying this way. But you should not imitate. If you think, oh, Krishna did Parakyatta, I also do. That is the offense, aparad, and sinful activity. Pagal. So Parakyatta Bhav, Parakyatta Bhav only manifest in Golok Vrindavan. So the Braj Bina Nahi Anatta Prakash. Vaikuntha Adi Nahi Jesava Lilaro Prachar. Se sab Lila Koriba Ami Loke Tahe Jate Hoy Chamatkar. Vaikuntha Ajodha Dwaraka Mathura. Not this Parakyatta. Only Golok Vrindavan. So say this. So Parakyatta Bhav in where? Golok Vrindavan. And Krishna manifested this lila and showing to her. This Parakyatta lila is sweet. This Katha should not imitate. If you imitate, then big problem will come. You will go to hell, Narak. Understand? Vrindavan Vihari. So, why I am saying? Because this Samartha Rati is there. In the heart of the Braj Gopis. For this regard, Gopis, they control to Krishna. Kubja is not control to Krishna. Even the queens of Dwarka, they can't to control to Krishna. But Gopis, they control to Krishna. Because this is mood is there. At the Parakyatta Bhav, then control. Sakyatta not completely control. Parakyatta control this. Ari Para Kriya. Para means Sreshta. Kriya means love and affection. The best love and affection in the heart of the Braj Gopis. For the Uddhav, Narad, and all they are hankering how to receive this mood also. Javai Sriyavarchita Ajadivi Apta Kamai. Eh? What is the sloka? Javai Sriya Uchita Ojabdi Raptakami Yogeshwari Rop. Eh? This sloka is also in there. Eh? Huh? Alright.
In Brahma Vimohana Lila, when Brahma took all the coward boys, so many and cows, so all the, and you said also that we need to be born in the womb of a gopi, that's the first thing. So, and then you say, but they don't have any children. So who are all these gopas that that Krishna became all the gopas? And taking birth in the womb of a gopi.
This is that they're showing this lila only. In their how their body is transcendental, how who is coming in their womb. That is showing this lila. Yogamaya arrange this lila. We should not understand with our material conception. Because they are showing this lila, people can understand. Shastra saying these are two ways. Those who are not transcendental conception is coming, then showing this okay, that as like how wife and husband meeting and baby is coming. Actually, this is not this way. Yogamaya, this doing this way. You try to understand this way. In this material world, how baby coming in the womb of the mother? When father and mother meeting, then they are coming. Actually, this transcendental, this is not possible. Yogamaya, she arranged this way, Lila. Just doing as like drama. And if you drama the pregnant lady, you are not pregnant. Just you are putting something in your stomach and saying I am pregnant. Cloth something this way. In the same way, Yogamaya she arranged this way. Their body, transcendental body. What with this lila is going on? One is tattva vichar this way. Tattva vichar is this way. But all we understand with our material concept, jad vichar. Actually, this is not this. Because all Krishna lila is going on this way. Krishna took birth from the womb of Mother Jasoda. And he took birth the one baby. As like mother, she gives birth the baby. In the same way, Mother Jasoda, she gave birth to Krishna. Same way, but not look like same, but not this way. Cutting the umbilical cord, this. This lila is all this way. But this is called lila. In the same way, Brahma Mohan lila, and that time also saying, okay, in your home that child coming, also just you give the marriage ceremony with Krishna. This way. And they do it this way. Actually, Krishna's all lila is doing by Yogamaya this way. Some lila, for this some Krishna lila is called Indrajalik lila also. What do you say? Indrajalik lila. Indrajalik lila, understand? As like magician. Magician, many things are doing. And we are thinking, okay, this is doing this way. As this is not true. Krishna's many leelas, so that is called Indrajalik leela also. And as like Mausal leela, Mahisharan leela, this is Indrajalik leela. First to understand the Indrajalik leela also. And Indrajalik leela means as like magician. Magic show this way. Or it is called this, many people they are also what is called this mantra. And what is called? Hypnosis also. And hypnotize to you. You give everything. Then after a couple of hours, think, oh, where is my this thing? Why did I give this? This mantra's power is there also. And control the mind. Many people they are doing these types of mantra has power also this way. Even yogis can doing many things. Or Krishna is Yogeshwara Bhagavan. So Krishna doing these leelas. And Yog Prasiddha they are doing this. So Krishna Leela this way is going. Javai Siyarjita Adabhi Raptu Kami Yogeshwari Raso Mahagushtam
Krishnasya tat bhagavatas charanam arvindam
Nostang Stanesu Bijruk Parirambha Kamatapam. Very nice look. Only tapam. They
write differently.
These same slokas, different with some slokas.
Some words are missing.
So Krishna doing this leela. One is called. So in this, in the Jali leela also doing this. In the because Krishna he wants to manifest his parakya leela, parakya bhav. So for this regard, in the womb of the gopis, that the girl coming and married with the gopis, a small baby. So the parakya. Actually, this is who is that person, Krishna himself. Doing this leela also. For this regard, Krishna Leela is very sweet. So for this regard, Krishna Leela is as like human being Leela. And not human being, like human being. So what we use this word, Prakito, and it's called Aprakito. Just use this word, O. In this material world, this is Prakito, material. In this material world, all these things is what? Contaminated with Maya's three gunas, Sattva, Raja and Tama guna. A transcendental world, there is no Maya's gunas is there. Last anger, this is what? Gunas of Maya, Tama guna. You understand? Maya, Tama guna is there. And last anger, this one. But transcendental world, that is last also showing this way. But that last is not the Maya's Tamaguna. The Yogmaya arranged this way. These are the things. Krishna, what is his name? He asked. Uddhav he told Prabhu, everybody calling, how possible you are Bhagavan? Now this thing. Uddhav, this is called Vaisham Tantra slokas. Understand? He saying this way, Uddhav he told, Prabhu, you are Bhagavan. The Krishna told, hey Uddhav, tell me what is the qualification of Bhagavan. Understand? Then Uddhav recited these verbs. Ashtadosa guna rahita bhagavattanam. Who is Bhagavan? He has no 18th fault. Ashtadosa. Ashtadosa means 18 faults. He is called Bhagavan. We have no lust, anger, enviousness, greed, these things. This sloka is quoted in Vaishnava Tantra. Ashtadosa rohita bhagavatana. Then Krishna told, tell to me, I have 18 faults. So how possible to prove I am Bhagavan? I was very greedy. Who is Bhagavan? He is not greedy. There is no greed. But Krishna told, he would have told me when I was small boy. I was very greedy for small piece of butter. Gopis, they also, Ekanaya, I will give you the butter, you dance. Then so much saliva falling down from my mouth. I was dancing for the butter. So greed or not? Just give this example. And Krishna dancing, baby Krishna dancing, and Gopi told, okay, I will give one. But another, he will give you. So how much? How many butter you will give me? Or laddu give me? Then Gopi said, okay. And taking the, what is it called, cow dung, and putting in the dot. Okay, one time dance, okay, put one dot here with the cow. And putting very nice design in it. So Krishna told, hey Uddhav, listen, for the small piece of laddu or butter, and I was dancing in front of Gopi, and so much saliva falling down from my mouth. So I am greedy. So how possible I am Bhagavan? Then Uddhav told Prabhu, this is your Leela. Bhagavat Leela is this way. Krishna is running behind Sudha, Gopis are not. Why? Last is there. Otherwise, who can run behind the young ladies? So Krishna is last. Then Uddhav told, not possible. Then this is also Leela. So in Srimad Bhagavatam, Ras Leela, and 4 slokas is there also. Krishna is not lusty person. And so saying, what this sloka? Avaruddha saurataha. Understand? Krishna control his own mind. And doing this Leela. 4 slokas is there. So in this way, Krishna doing this Leela also this. And understand? So Krishna is not lusty person. So actually this is called the Leela. For this Leela, Krishna Leela is called, Krishna Rasla name is called Kam Vijay Leela. Kam Vijay Leela is there. He conquered the Cupid lust. Showing this way. And Brahma, Shiv, even Narad, they cannot control their lust. But Bhagavan Vishnu Krishna, he controls everything. So Rashla, one name is called Kam Vijay. Showing this way. So one day I told, so 3 types of Kamdev. How many types of Kamdev? 3. One is called, which Kamdev? First Kamdev, that is in this material world. The Sargya Kamdev. Who is the friend of Indra. He also danced to everybody. One small insect to Brahma. That Kamdev. Or another Kamdev, Pradyumna in Dwarka. In Dwarka 4, and the thing, what is it called? Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna or Aniruddha. That Kamdev is there. Our origin Kamdev, Krishna Varinandana Samsundar. So the Vrindavane Apragita Novina Madan Kam Gayatri Kam Vijay Jhar Upashan. Krishna is called Apragita Madan Mohan. Why Krishna name is called Madan Mohan? Because Krishna is devotee to Madan Kamdev. So for this regard his name is called Madan. So Kamdev, this material Kamdev is thinking, Jada Kamdev thing. I will also affect all my activities to Krishna. Because thinking Krishna is an ordinary covered by. You understand this? So Krishna, I think, okay, you come. And when Krishna played the flute, all the gopis are coming. Eh? Then Kamdev, he said, Kamdev, I will also shoot my arrows. Kamdev, how many, what is called? Arrows in his bow. 5. Eh? Understand this? 5 arrows are there. Eh? Krishna saying, okay. Eh? So I will shoot it one by one my arrows. Eh? Understand? Krishna will say, I have no need any bow and arrow, just I have in flute. This is enough. Eh? One just piece of bamboo. Eh? So Krishna just manifested his Tribhanga Lali, then hold his flute. Eh? Then Kamdev fainted. Eh? Then Krishna will just lay down here until my ras dance, and you completely are unconscious. Understand? So these ways. So the Krishna Leela is this. So for this regard, Krishna is called Apragita Kamdev. So if you take darshan to Govinda, then you cannot then survive your body. Many people say, why Krishna not giving darshan? Are you giving darshan to you? You cannot survive your body. Understand? Do you want to take darshan to Govinda? Not so easy. Or if you take darshan, you cannot. So Vrindavani Apragita Madana Mohan Kam Gatri Kam Vijay Jhar Upasana. If you chant the Kam Gayatri mantra, then all your material lust will be disappear. Proper way chant. Proper way not chanting, so how possible go away? Sometimes not chanting also. Chanting or not? Yeah. So for the Puspa Banaya, 5 types of flowers made by that and arrows of Kamadev. Puspa means flowers. Puspa Banaya. Puspa Ban. What do you call? Puspa Ban. Puspa means flowers. Ban means arrow. Understand? 5 types of flowers. There. Krishna just taking the Vajanti Mala. Vajanti Mala means that garland made by the 5 flowers, 5 types of flowers. 5 types of flowers. That is called Vajanti Mala.
Pushpanaya refers to Vajanti Mala.
That's the 5 types of flowers is there. Mala means garland. And Krishna, no need to the arrow. Or no need to, what is called? Quiver. Or no need to the bow. There are the 5 flowers in there. What are the 5 types of flowers? Amra, Bokul, Madhavi. We can check. Very powerful there. Which is my Gopi Gita also there. Everything also mentioned. Very powerful the flower. What do you say? Are you now 9:30?
I have one question because you talked about Parakya Rasa, and I was reading Sri Brahmasamrita in this verse, the 37th verse. Ananda, what is it?
Ananda Chinimarasa Pratibhavi Sarve Nija Rupa Taya Kalavi.
Then in this, in the Tika of Sri Jiva Goswami, I could not understand properly what he is saying. Because it's written the words Goloka Eva. Here the word Eva emphasizes that in Golok Sri Krishna resides eternally with the gopis as his wives.
Gopis are there.
Sri Krishna resides eternally with the gopis as his wives and not as his paramours. And then he goes on and he ends the tika saying, therefore the purport emphasized by the word eva after the word, that the gopis are only related to Sri Krishna as his wives and not in any other way. How could I understand this?
You have to try to understand. This first this way there. Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwaraka, Mathura. Then after Mathura, what is going? Golok. Then after Golok, then Vrindavan. Golok, actual Golok and Gokul, same thing. But some are also explained this way, Golok and Gokul. Gokul and Golok. When sadhak, in this verse also Jiva Goswami Pada explained, those sadhak when you come in the stage of Bhavadasha, Gokule Golok Darshan or Gokul mein Golok Darshan. What do you say? Golok mein Gokul Darshan.
One darshan in Gokul.
When sadhak still in this material world, he is coming in the stage of Bhavadasha. His vision is the Gokul and Golok. But actual, what is the Golok? Gokul, this word mentioned. Golok, actual, this try to understand, the Golok, that is called the small line or between, what is called? This side Vrindavan and that is called the Mathura. That is a small line is there also. That is called the Golok. So sometimes Golok is discuss this thing, little bit some Sakyatva Bhav is there. You understand or not? Sakyatva Bhav. Sakyatva means what is called? Wife and husband mood. For the use this word wife. Actually this is not the wife. Give an example. Without marry, when the two couple are staying together and look like they are what mood? Wife and husband mood is Sakya mood is there. Thinking wife and husband, I am his husband or she is my wife. Wife husband mood is there. But not married is there. For this regard, same way, in the sometimes looking this way. Sakyatva Bhav looking. For the Sakyatva Bhav, that is called wife and husband mood coming. So is this word? Wives. Actual, this is not the also wife and husband mood. Wife and husband when you will say? When the marriage ceremony. That is, understand? Marriage ceremony, Vedic culture is there. Marriage ceremony should be. Then wife and husband. You understand or not? That the Brahman will come and marriage ceremony. And witness would be there. Understand? Agni Sakshi, when we do marriage ceremony, there is Agni Sakshi, Brahman Sakshi. Sakshi means witness. You married this lady or this person. That witness. But when in Golok, Radha and Krishna, they are married, but there is no any marriage ceremony. But Gopis and Gopal, there is no any witness. But both are Radha Krishna, both are staying together. So for this, there is some Sakyatva Bhav there. For this regard, using this way, actually that is your Parakyatva Bhav. Because Parakyatva Bhav means Parakya, this is where with if there are no marriage ceremony. But look, they say, oh, we are married. Because many, yes, they are staying together. For this regard, Jogmasi arranged this way. Or Vrindavan, Braj, they are the Parakyatya Bhav completely same. Hey. Right? Krishna with the gopis. He is always staying with gopis or not? Not staying there. Hey. So for this regard, in Jayavadana Bhakti, Thakur also explained this way. Darshan or Gokul mein Golok Darshan. Actually, this, but when you will go that place, actually this is called Parakyatya they there. Try to understand, when the Parakya Bhav, that time no marriage ceremony. Mood is there some also. For this regard, they are also saying in this those gopis they did Katyayani Vrata. They are written in there. Katyayani Vrata. In their mind they are thinking we married with Krishna. That is called Sakyatya Bhav coming also. Okay? Understand? So when we discuss about this, 96 types of Nayak or 360 types of Naika. Nayak Paranga, Naika Paranga. And that time Sakya Parakyatya also showing this way. Sakya Nayak or Parakyatya Nayak. Sakya Naika, Parakya Naika, there is there. And this is this way. And so many things have to this way. And so for this regard here, Ananda Chinma Rasa Pratibhavi Stabir Nijo Rupa Toya Kalabhi. Here Toya Kalabhi means is there. And actually all these gopis actually non-different from Srimati Radhika. For the Krishna's pleasure, Srimati Radhika, she manifests many forms, many gopis are there. And because in this way, Srimati Radhika, she fulfilled the desires of Krishna. Bahu kamta bina nahi rasar ullas. Without many consorts, Krishna will not happy. Srimati Radhika can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. But without many consorts, Krishna will not happy. Honest person. Miser person can eat one sabji and one chapati. Or who is richest person? Lot of wealth of money. How did he eating? Has many kinds of preparation. That's called Raj Bhoga. You understand or not? Miser person is thinking, why we spend so much money? Just one chapati and one sabji enough. So Krishna is not miser. Krishna is Bhagavan. Actually Krishna is Bhagavan. He realizes all the rasas. He realizes all the rasas from the subject. For this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained this way. So what kinds of preparation and prepare and offer to Krishna? Prepare or not? When you do the kirtan, Bhaja Bhakata Vatsala Si Gaurahari, how many preparation? 100 preparation. You can count in there. Understand? Sukata Bhajada Bhajina Nalita Kuzmanda Dali Rana Gumi. How many do you say? Laddu Puri, Sor Puri, Kheer. Every day you doing kirtan. Krishna is not happy with give one sabji or one chapati. Understand? And only miser person will pay this way. Miser understand? Krishna is. Why I am saying this? Because Krishna is not happy only dancing with Srimati Radhika. Krishna is happy with many consorts. Because Krishna is Dhir Lalita Nayak. This is nature, Sabhab. What is Sabhab? Even not many consorts, how to laughing, joking and to talk with you. You try to understand this way. If not many consorts, Naika, no Lolita, Visakha, no Chandravali, not others, how possible this Rasmadhurja will be manifest? You understand? For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she manifests many forms. Actually, all these gopis, they are non-different from Srimati Radhika. So saying Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita Stabhija Nijo Rupa Taya Kalabhi. Nijo Rupa Taya Kalabhi. Kalabhi means all is comes from non-different from Srimati Radhika. You understand not? You read Brahma Samhita this way. Tika also explain this way. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika is doing this way. Rupa Manjari. Actually, who is Rupa Manjari? Srimati Radhika herself. That's his form, that's called Rupa Manjari. Rati Manjari. Lalita, Srimati Radhika's Lalit mode, that's called Lalita Manjari. Pesal mode, that's called Vishakha. Right? All the Sukhi is actually non-different from Srimati Radhika. So saying this verse also, you read this verse, it is written there, Ananda Chinma Rasa Pratibhavita Starbija Nija Rupa Taya Kalabhi. This intent is what? Taya Kalabhi. Sakya Ras not so much what is called realizable. Or Parakyatta Ras so much realizable is there. One person maybe, and Krishna's how many wives in Dwarka? 16,108. Why Krishna is happy with their wife or not? Why not? Why Krishna is not happy?
He cannot joke.
He
cannot joke.
And he can joke by little bit, then they will become angry. They cannot understand. Rukmini, she was fanning to Krishna. Then Krishna thinking, I will little bit joke. Krishna told these things. Hey Rukmini, you are very sweet and these things. I am not qualified your husband. Understand? If you want to marry with another person, because your father, your brother, Rukmak, and arrange your marriage ceremony with Shishupal. So I can send you to you. Look, this is joking this. Then Rukmini is thinking maybe this is true. Rukmini's hands start to shake. Then Krishna pacified. Understand? Then Krishna told, hey Rukmini, how possible I give up to you? Just a joke. This type of joking I did with gopis. One day I told to the gopis in Vrindavan, hey gopis, always you criticize to me. You are stupid, nonsense, rascal. You are dabuchi, these things. Lampat. Understand? So I will not come tomorrow in Urkunja. Then Radharani said, tomorrow who knows? Now go out. So these types of, what is the Parakatta Bhavdi? Look at this. You understand? Srimati Radhika, she did not faint. Yet Krishna tomorrow will not come in my kunja. Srimati Radhika, what is he saying? Tomorrow, who is there tomorrow? Just now, Madhava Jahi Mavad Kaitava. Get out from this kunja now. These types of delight. Madhurja. Parakatta. Because why? Srimati Radhika, she knows I control to Krishna with my this love. Samartharati is there. Main thing is that in the heart of the Govind, special Srimati Radhika, that is called Samartharati. Completely, absolutely manifest. So saying this part, and Nirantarang Vasikrita Pratiti Nanda Nandane Kada Kari Sasyaman Kripa Kataksha. Srimati Radhika, she knows where you will go. I already and control to Krishna. Understand? And baby running here and there, and mother put one rope. You have seen sometimes baby running here and there. So mother put bind one rope on the waist of the baby. Then baby going, how is it going? Then baby going, then mother pull. In the same way, Srimati Radhika said, no, Krishna, where you will go? Okay? Just give the example. So saying, Nirantaram Vasikrita Pratiti Nandane Kada Kari Swasya Mam Kripa Katash. Ananta Koti Vishnu Loka Namra Padma Jar Chite Himadrija Pulo Majar Virinchaja Baraprad Apara Siddhi Riddhi Sat Padangulina Kada Kari Swasya Mam Kripa Katash. So try to listen this. So the prem is there. That prem is called Samartharati prem. Understand? Good prem. Now 9:15. Chalo. Are many